Right, we're looking at how to replace a cutter on a Designjet 510. Fairly simple operation. So, machine's powered off, although it doesn't have to be for this particular operation. So, open up the rain cover. You see this chrome rail? What we do is follow your finger along, and the first bit of plastic you hit into, grab hold of it and pull it. That is actually the cutter. So you can pull it out, line it with this slot here, and you just unclip it, pull it out, get your new cutter, just a reversal, just pop it in there, tag it in, make sure it's running correctly, and just push it back to its home position. It's as simple as that.